The moment I start filming, the dog starts whining. Just a quick one tonight, just checking in on a Saturday. Back out in the garden. Turned a bit warmer, which is good. And, a rare sight. I'm smoking a cob. I can't remember when I last did a video where I was smoking a cob. Smoking some Bruno ready rubbed in it. Quite getting to like this. This is the bowl from a Shire Cobbett, with the, because it was meant to be kind of a mini church warden, but I've got a Danish bent stem on it instead. Love the shape of the bowl though, really nice. Oh, what's she doing? Never work with children or animals, that's what they say. Perhaps I should try and shoot a video with my daughters here as well. Get the full lot going. Thanks to anyone that watched my video last night. I didn't mean to make it quite so long. I didn't mean to play the whole track. I mean, you know, 6 or 7 minutes of just watching me sitting there listening to some music is a bit of a big ask for anyone. So if you stuck through it, thank you. And I should have credited the artist, of course, Iris Dement. Absolutely fantastic singer. If you haven't checked her out, then really do go and do so. Incredible voice. And carries such emotion. She's been around a while, but I didn't actually get to hear her, or knowingly hear her, until I saw True Grit, the Coen Brothers' True Grit, in 2010. And over the closing credits they played her singing In the Everlasting Arms. Leaning on the Everlasting Arms, rather. Fantastic. And the album I was playing of hers last night, Lifeline, has got that track on it as well. Really, really good singer. As I say, even if you don't share the faith, you can appreciate the emotion and the talent. It's a good evening to be smoking a pipe outside. Really is. And what I'm drinking with it, I'm probably going to put my hand over the lens here as usual. A lovely glass of Bass, famous old pale ale. Been brewing this stuff since the middle of the 19th century, I think. Just noticed I was holding my little finger up there, just like posh people do when they're swigging beer. The sun's come out. Jolly nice. Anyway, that's it for me sitting out in the garden, because it's not that interesting for anyone, I know. But while I was out walking the dog this evening, I just shot a couple of clips of where I walk him of an evening around the local common. So I thought I'd show you that. Because I love seeing where I love seeing where the rest of you lot live, seeing a bit of your surroundings. Especially as I don't get out of the bell much now. So I'm living my life through you. So I love seeing where everybody lives and you know, their surroundings. Really enjoy it. And so I've shown you the woods where I walk him in the morning. I have to take him in the car up there. But in the evenings I just walk up to the local common. It's literally 100 yards from my front door. And walk him round there. So I thought I'd show it to you. Anyway, that's all for this one, though. Shan't be doing one tomorrow because I've got my daughters coming to stay and they're coming for dinner. So I shall be killing the fatted calf and be in the kitchen, slaving away over a hot stove. God. It's a dog's life, isn't it? See you all again soon, everyone. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye. I don't know how well you'll be able to hear this because it's quite windy. Also give you a little panorama of the common where I walk Ziggy every evening. This is literally about 100 yards, 200 yards from my house. There's perfect clouds there. Blue sky. The spring. Very lucky to have this on the doorstep considering it's such a built up area. As usual. This mound that you can see there ahead of me is an Iron Age burial mound. It was excavated, it was opened up a while ago, 100 years or more ago, and they found that it had been robbed and cleared of any goods many centuries before, I suppose. But it's been left here, not sure why. Point of interest though, because where I am was it's quite a famous ancient settlement, because we're high up above the river here. What you can't see, but behind that row of trees over there goes down steeply towards what would have been the Thames marshes. So yeah, it was like Bronze Age and Iron Age and Roman settlements. There we go. See you again soon. Here's Ziggy lying on the Iron Age burial mound I just spoke of. As no doubt countless dogs have done for the past 2,000 years or more. And I'm going to have to go because he's seen another dog and he's giving it the eye. He's probably about to launch himself across at it, so there you go. You'll be able to see, but if you can, see numerous black dots on the grass, because this is where the local crows also like to come and take the air of an evening. A few pigeons and you get the occasional gull as well. Mainly it's the crows' place, it's their patch.